My question is, I find this bizarre. How is this even a story? A person who's obviously high on some kind of drugs is at Mahakumbh, knows a little bit about spirituality, says he's from IIT. Then the media starts asking him about everything, his problems with his family, his father. That becomes a national story. Then you want to discuss it, debate it. And then having built him up, you now want to question how much you know about Hinduism. And then bring him face to face with other Hindu sannyasis and sadhus and sants and sadhvis and create a TV debate out of it. I'm not clear what is going on here. Really, I totally blame the media for doing this. Dr. Nisha?
Media is supposed to be infotainment in nature, right? Information and entertainment. But then when media tries to give hype, I would say that this kind of hype is an overhype given to this IIT Baba. Our country, India, is having so many leaders like, Vivekananda Swami and all these people who taught us the real meaning of spirituality. And we should really understand that having such a beautiful culturalistic history of us and having so many leaders like this, we should not encourage such kind of pseudo-babas indeed. And now, he claims himself to be so spiritual, Arna. But let me ask you something. Spirituality is also being commercialized these days, and media is one such reason for promoting such kind of fake babas out there. I'm not saying that the so-called IIT Baba is to be blamed completely, but then let me tell you something. He, without even inquiring about his background or the other details, you just give an overhype to a person. A lot of people tend to follow this person, and now today when he's caught with ganja or things like that, he claims it to be a prasad. You just tell me that NTPS Act of 1985, that's illegal. And now he claims that to be a prasad. So all these people who now the upcoming generations who think or who adapt themselves to the so-called religioustic practices or beliefs or spirituality, even they will start feeling that such kind of ganjas and marijuanas are again prasads. Oh my God, where is the world going on? So I think we should not encourage such kind of people to have a negative or a pessimistic impact on the upcoming generation. And
okay, viewers, my question is simple tonight. Who do you blame, IIT Baba or media? I blame